In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called calculating the pH of a buffer. To calculate the pH of a buffer, we use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, which says that the pH is the pKa of the acid in the buffer plus the log of the concentration of the base of the buffer over the concentration of the acid of the buffer. So in this problem, we will be given the concentration of both the base and the acid, and we will be given information to calculate the pKa. We have been given the Ka value, and as a reminder, the pKa value is calculated by taking the negative log of the Ka. So I'm going to start with that. For this problem, we're going to be taking the negative log of 1.3 times 10 to the minus 5. 1.3 times 10 to the minus 5 is 4.886. And then we want to do the log of the concentration of the base over the concentration of the acid. Now, one of the tricky parts of this problem is you need to be able to identify of the two components in the solution which one is the base and which one is the acid. As a tip here, I'm going to tell you that the acid, just by definition, has one more hydrogen than the base. This is because the acid is a proton donor, and so the acid is going to be losing one hydrogen to become the base, so this is based off of that acid-base theory. So when we're looking at the formulas here of our two components, we have H plus 5 H's, that's a total of 6 hydrogens here, and this guy over here has just 5 hydrogens. This is the component that has the most hydrogens, so that means that this molecule right here will be our acid, and this molecule over here is going to be our base. And once we've got those identified, we're just going to plug the correct molarity in. The molarity of our base was 0.16, and the molarity of our acid is 0.39. And so now we just have to do this math. 0.16 divided by 0.39, take the log of that, and then add that to 4.886, and I get 4.499. ALEKS wants 2 decimal places, so that's going to be 4.50.